Good morning, kids. Open your literacy skill book to the page number 82. Today we are going to learn about letter M. Okay, M. The sound of M is M. The sound of M is M. Capital M, small m. Okay, capital M, small m. M, moon. M, mother. M, mirror. M, monkey. M, mango. M, mat. M, milk. M, maze. M, man. M, marble. M, market. M, mud. M, mug. These all are words which are starting with the letter M. Okay. I forgot to say you, right? CW and today's date, that is 6/11/2020. 6 November 2020. After that, on the next page, you are having an letter recognition activity. Okay, write CW again and today's date. What activity they have given for you? Let's see. Take the monkey to the tree. Join big M and small m. See, the monkey is here. You have to take the monkey to this tree with the helping of capital M and small m. So, what you have to do? You have to just join the capital M with the small m. Like this. Okay? Like this. Capital M and small m. Joining the capital M and small m, you will help the monkey to reach to this tree like this. See. See, the monkey will reach to the tree. Okay. Then turn the page. You are having an tracing activity. You are having a tracing you are having tracing activity. This will be your homework. Write HW and today's date. Okay. Capital M and small m. First you have to trace on the patterns. Trace on the strokes very neatly. Then trace on the letter. Okay. Capital and small. When you are tracing, say and write. Okay. On the next page again you are having activity. This also your homework. Which picture names begin with the letter M? Write the big and small letter. Okay. जो पिक्चर का नाम M से स्टार्ट होता है उस पिक्चर के नीचे जो 4 लाइन्स दिए हैं, जो बॉक्स दिया है, उसमें आपको कैपिटल M एंड स्मॉल m लिखना है. ओके. नाउ वन दे हैव डन फॉर यू. M फॉर मून. नाउ M फॉर comb. No. M for monkey? Yes. So you will write here capital M and small m. Okay. Then M for mango. M for mug. M for milk. M for mat. M for ball. Is it? No. So you should not write here. You should write only M for milk, M for mat, M for mug and M for what? Mango. Very good. Okay. After that, turn the page. You are having next letter, that is N. Okay. N. Again write CW and today's date. N. The sound of N is N. What is the sound of N? N. Capital N, small n. N, nest. N, nine. N, nail. N, net. N, nurse. Napkin, needle, nose, notebook, night, newspaper, number. These all are the words which are starting with the letter N. Okay. On next page you are having letter recognition activity. Write CW. We'll see what activity they have given for you. Take the bird to its nest. Join big N and small n. Like now we have done with the M. We have helped the monkey to reach the reach to his tree. Now we are going to help the bird to reach the nest. Okay, with the joining capital N and small n. Okay, so start here. They have given you arrow. See, capital N, small n. स्मॉल एन टू कैपिटल, कैपिटल टू स्मॉल. जहाँ जहाँ कैपिटल और स्मॉल एन आपको दिखाई देगा वहाँ पे आपको ऐसे वे बनाना है, तो बर्ड आसानी से अपने घर जा सकेगा. ओके, हम बर्ड को हेल्प करेंगे. ओके, नाउ देयर इज एच ऑल्सो, बट यू शुड नॉट राइट लाइन देयर. ओके, सी, देखो हमने बर्ड को हेल्प की ना उनके बच्चों की तरफ पहुंचने के लिए. देखो बर्ड जो है वो नेस्ट तक पहुंच गया. ओके, देन यू हैव ट्रेसिंग एक्टिविटी. दिस 2 pages आर योर होमवर्क. ओके, ट्रेस ऑन द पैटर्न्स वेरी नीटली, देन ऑन द लेटर. ओके, कैपिटल N and small n. Then you are having a letter recognition again activity. Which picture names begin with the letter N? Write the big and small letter. One they have done for you. N for needle. Now N for nurse. So you should write here N, capital N and small n. Then 9. Again you have to write N. N for nose. Then N for doll. No, wrong. N for notebook. Yes. You have to write here capital N, small n. N for nail. N for apple? No, this is wrong. After that, on the next page, you are having 2 more activities. Write CW and today's date. Name each picture and match it with the first letter of its name. Okay, one they have done for you. N for nest. ये कौन सा पिक्चर है? नेस्ट. सो एन फॉर नेस्ट. द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ मैट. एम फॉर मैट. सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ लाइन टू दिस एम, स्मॉल एम. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? नट्स. ड्राई फ्रूट पता है ना आपको, तो ड्राई फ्रूट को नट्स भी बोलते हैं. ओके, सो एन फॉर नट्स, एम फॉर मंकी. ओके, so like this you have to join the you have to draw the lines to join the to match the picture with its first letter. Okay, on the next page write HW. Okay, see they have given you one drawing. Okay, और drawing में आपको क्या है? घर. One house. You have to color the house with the appropriate color. Okay, see they have written you letters also, capital and M and small m, then capital N and small n. तो आपको क्या करना है? जहाँ पे कैपिटल M लिखा है वहाँ पे आपको रेड कलर करना है. जहाँ पे स्मॉल m लिखा है वहाँ पे आपको ऑरेंज कलर करना है. जहाँ पे कैपिटल N है वहाँ ब्लू कलर, और जहाँ स्मॉल n है वहाँ पे येलो कलर करना है. ओके, गॉट इट? थैंक यू.